All right, so what we're gonna do here is make a we're gonna make a pattern, sort of in the style of the artist Philip Taaffe, and he does organic pieces, but he puts them in order. Sometimes he does. A lot of times he does geometric stuff. And so what we want to do is put them in order and make a pattern out of them, because that's what a pattern is repeated. But I'm gonna show you how to make a complicated pattern. Now, the important thing is that whatever you do, you need to do to all of them before you start doing something new to the first one. In other words, we're gonna make an organic shape, all right? And that's gonna be hard enough on its own. Here's my organic shape here. It's like a little bean. I'm gonna do another organic shape. It's like a little bean. It won't be perfect. And there's 4. Now I gotta do it over here. I'm doing the same bean. Like I said, it won't be perfect, but you know, you're doing your best. I'm gonna do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Now I'm just showing you how to do the pattern part. The colored part is gonna be you, but in the end, this thing is gonna have to be colored all the way. This is too big for me to color with some markers and get it all done, okay? Now I'm gonna do something different. Now I'm gonna do something that comes down like this. Looks like a little tooth. Now for this exercise, I will be showing you, notice how it's getting more complicated by just adding another shape. We're just adding one little thing at a time, and it gets more complicated. I am going to show you some pictures of organic material, things like lizards and stuff, leaves, underwater coral. You're going to get some ideas for what you're going to do from that. So I have a picture on the thing or lots of pictures of organic stuff. You have to tell me where you're getting your ideas, because that is where I'm really going to give you the. All right, maybe one more. A pattern, you know, is one of these things where you are repeating things in an order, but and it's not a rhythm pattern because it'd just be one line of them. Instead, this is a regular pattern, or what I call a regular pattern. So now I get out and I might color each one of these sections like a little color, but whatever you color here, got to color here, 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 here. So if this is red, this little section here, you make them all red, right? And then maybe I'll do that. Hold on for 2 seconds, just keep it rolling. I'm gonna get some more colors real quick. Just to show you what I mean. I'll color it in this little section here. And I always do a little outline on everything before I color it in. So I do all these sections and color them up until I get to the end. Do them all. Don't try to color a whole one and then try to color a whole one and then try to color a whole one again. That will never work out. You're gonna have to be able to tell me where you get your ideas from. So if I picked red here, I better find something in the thing that you know, on the board that's red. And it makes sense to do it otherwise, because the idea is we're gonna see where we get our influence from. You see how I'm doing all the reds. Just to let you know, we have fat markers and skinny markers today. You get your choice of the fat ones or the skinny ones. Alright, I'm going to do just a couple of green, just to show you what I mean. Now I'm going to do this little section around the side. Do that green. Some of those markers are dying out, so you got to be careful. See how I'm doing it? Alright. And then you have to fill out all this stuff too with something. Does that make sense to you? I hope so. Have fun with this. Remember, this is an important grade today, so let's make sure that we get it. We do it the best of our abilities. I think that should take it.